The humble omelette, it's always there for you, whether it's breakfast, lunch and dinner. And it could be as simple as just eggs, or you can fill it with different things like I'm going to be doing with some spinach, cheese, and just to make it extra special, a little seasoning of this chili kelp. It is fantastic with eggs. So into a bowl, I'm going to crack 3 eggs. This is a 3-egg omelette. 1, 2, and the third one. And I always crack my eggs on a board and then straight into the bowl. And some cream. I mean, the cream just gives it that beautiful velvety finish, but it's not essential. And we'll just break up the eggs and give it a really good whisk. Great, all right. Now to start cooking this, I'll add a splash of oil. You could also add some butter. Once that starts to heat up, in with our eggs. Okay, now the trick here is just to allow it to set and then bring in the sides like a handkerchief and then pull all the raw egg to the sides. We're almost forming a little base for the rest of our ingredients. This is when I turn the heat off completely. See, it's still a little bit wet, but this is going to cook with the residual heat. So just poke a few little holes and then set it again. And we'll add some cheddar cheese just all over. And the spinach, I'm leaving my spinach raw. It's baby spinach and it will warm up in this. And just putting it on one side is what I'm after. Now we need to fold this over. So we just wrap one side and keep wrapping it to form our omelette. Grab a plate. We're going to tip it on there. And that is a perfect meal for one. And what makes this extra special, I have this chili kelp seasoning. It's got the seaweed in it, chili, sugar and the salt, so no salt is required for this gorgeous cheddar and spinach omelette.